Hi everyone, my name is Bree. I wanted to do a quick little review of this automatic trash can. This is how it looks straight up and what you get as it comes. Sorry, it is turning on. There's an automatic fan inside of this that keeps that smell in and it keeps everything really contained. And that is what you charge over here on this side. And so it is included with a little charger, but it doesn't always have to be plugged in to work, as you can see. When you pull the top off, you have right here, you have the battery port, and then you have a little switch on so that it will automatically open and close. This is your sensor, obviously, so you just wave your hand in front of it and it will go, and then it closes automatically when there is no motion detected. It also handily came with this roll of perfectly sized trash bags that I'm gonna go ahead and put in. There is also a trash bag clip, so it keeps everything really nice, really contained. My favorite part about this trash can.